grade 4, let us continue solving on page 174. Let's start with exercise 1. Jad is a tennis player. During a match, Jad makes a wide variety of movements. The joints of this body allow this great variety of movements. Define an articulation. What is an articulation? So an articulation is a junction or a connection between two or more bones. So an articulation is a junction between two or more bones. Okay, now let's go to exercise B. Give the names of the different articulations present in Jad. What is this articulation? Shoulder articulation. This articulation, it's the elbow. Here it's the knee articulation. Here it is the wrist articulation. This is the hip articulation or pelvis articulation, and here this is the ankle articulation. Okay, ankle articulation. Part C, specify the type of all these articulations. What are these articulations? Are they mobile, semi-mobile, or fixed? All these articulations are mobile because they allow us, or they allow Jad to do different types of movements. Don't forget, and specify means that I should tell y, the answer plus y. Okay, so let's write these articulations are mobile because they permit making movements in several directions. Okay, let's continue. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. Bones are hard and breakable. Although they are hard, but they can be broken. The vertebral column holds all of your body. It allows you to round or straighten your neck and move your head. The opposite figure represents a vertebral column. So this is a vertebral column. Pick out from the text the role of the vertebral column. Pick out, yani I should take it as it is from the text. The role, yani what does a vertebral column do? It holds all of the body. It allows you to round or straighten your back and move your head. So it allows you to round or straighten your back and move your head. Okay, now part B. The vertebral column is a set of several bones called vertebra. Those colored parts are vertebra. Okay, it has many articulations between its bones. Indicate the type of all these articulations. So what is the type of articulations بالvertebra? They are semi-mobile. Okay, because it has limited, it moves in a limited direction. So semi-mobile. Okay. They need Now, the skull, just like the vertebral column, is a set of bones that protects an important organ of the body. What is this organ? It is the brain, of course. Are the articulations of the bone of the skull of the same type as those of the bones of the vertebral column? Are they of the same type? No. It is fixed. The skull cannot perform any movement. So the articulation of the skull is fixed. Okay? So let's go to question 3. The adjacent figure represents an articulation. Name element A. What is element A? Element A is a ligament. Why? Because it connects the two bones together. So it is a ligament. What is its role? It connects the bones together at the level of an articulation. Okay, so this is the end of this chapter about the articulation. Let us start with lesson 17, the movements. We said in order to move we should have muscles and bones. Bones allow the upright position, the correct standing of a human. The muscles permit movements, and there should be a connection between the muscles and the bones. Let us start with activity 1, the muscles. Observe, then answer the question. What is the color of the muscles? It's red. So the color of the muscles is red. So red. Tell if these muscles are under the skin or on the skin. They are under the skin. We cannot see them. As you can notice also إنه they are found from tip to toe, يعني from head to toe. Okay, all the muscles cover all the body. Okay. Are the internal organs better protected from shocks by the muscles? Of course. Yes, of course. Can the human body move without muscles? Can it? No. It needs muscles and bones also, not only muscles. So muscles and bones. Let's continue. Complete the following conclusion to indicate the role of muscles. So red muscles, what do they do to the bone? They cover the bones. Okay, so bones, منهم muscles. The bones and the muscles are connected to each other by tendons. What does it allow the body to do? It allows it to move. So it allows the movement of the body. Another thing that it's nice to know, إنه muscles have various shapes. We have a spindle shape, like this, flat shape, or fan shape. It's a flat, يعني it's like the shape of the fan, and annular shape, like a circle. Okay? Muscles are found where? Under the skin. Under the skin. Muscles cover the what? The bones. And what do they do to the internal organs? They protect it, just like the bones. They protect the internal organs. The skeleton and muscles allow the what of the body? The movement of the body. So without bones and muscles we cannot move. Okay? That's it. Thank you.